That moment when your partition vanishes and takes your files with it. Total nightmare. I'll show you how to get it back and make sure it never happens again. Welcome to Harbor of Tech. I'm Neil. Today we're looking at MiniTool Partition Wizard. I'll show you how to recover lost partitions, protect your data, and keep your drives in check. First, use the link in the description to visit the official site. Download the free version for basic tasks. Or try the pro version if you want a test run of the advanced features. Open the installer, follow the steps, and you're set. No bloatware. Quick setup. You'll be ready in under a minute. MiniTool offers flexible pro plans designed to save you money. Choosing the yearly subscription costs less overall compared to paying month by month. If you want to avoid renewals altogether, you can purchase a lifetime license with a single payment. And remember, you can always try the free version first to make sure the software meets your needs before committing. I get a lot of questions about resizing partitions, especially the C drive. Many people want to install another Windows version and wonder how to create a new partition without losing any data. MiniTool Partition Wizard lets you resize any partition, including C, exactly the way you want. You can shrink or extend your drive safely. The great thing is MiniTool does not make any changes until you hit apply. If you accidentally delete the wrong partition, no worries, you can undo it before applying, just like I'm doing here. Once resized, you can format the new partition using NTFs, which is perfect for installing your new Windows. After everything is ready, just hit apply and the software takes care of the rest securely and reliably. If MiniTool asks for a license key, you can enter it right here. Keep in mind the free version does not ask for any license key at all. If you want to use the pro features, you can start a free trial from this screen or choose to purchase a license directly. It's simple to upgrade whenever you're ready, and you won't lose any progress or settings. Partitioning tasks usually finish in just a few seconds. Resizing the C drive may require a restart to complete safely. Partition recovery is very easy with MiniTool Partition Wizard. Just head over to the Partition Recovery tab and select the disk you want to scan. You have the option to scan the entire disk or just a specific sequence if you're comfortable with advanced settings. Next, choose between a quick scan or a full scan. I usually recommend starting with a quick scan because it's faster and often finds what you need. If the quick scan doesn't find your lost partitions, you can always run a full scan. The full scan digs deeper and can recover more partitions, but it may take longer depending on your drive's speed and size. Either way, the process is straightforward and guided step by step. MiniTool offers a very detailed speed test for your drive. It measures both sequential and random read and write speeds using multiple file sizes to give you a complete and accurate benchmark. This helps you understand your disk's real performance and overall health. Running this test regularly can help you spot early signs of drive failure or slowdowns before they become serious problems. Another useful tool is the Space Analyzer feature. It breaks down your entire drive into a clear, easy-to-retrieve view of files and folders. You can quickly see exactly where all your data is stored and which folders or files are using the most space. Think of it as a detailed map of your disk, helping you identify clutter and large files so you can clean up and free space efficiently. If you want me to cover any specific features or topics next, just drop a comment and let me know. And if this video helped you, please show some love by liking and subscribing. It really supports the channel and helps me keep making helpful videos. This is Harbor of Tech, signing off.